لا يضيع أجر المؤمنين.
They rejoice at the favors and bounties of Allah, and at the awareness that Allah will not cause the reward of the believers to be lost.
الذين استجابوا لله والرسول من بعد ما أصابهم القرح للذين أحسنوا منهم واتقوا أجر عظيم.
There were those who responded to the call of Allah and the Messenger after injury had smitten them. There is mighty reward for all those who do good and fear Allah.
الذين قال لهم الناس إن الناس قد جمعوا لكم فاخشوهم فزادهم إيمانا وقالوا حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل.
When people said to them, "Behold, a host has gathered around you, and you should fear them," it only increased their faith, and they answered, "Allah is sufficient for us, and what an excellent guardian He is."
فانقلبوا بنعمة من الله وفضل لم يمسسهم سوء واتبعوا رضوان الله والله ذو فضل عظيم.
So they returned with a mighty favor and a great bounty from Allah, having suffered no harm. They followed the good pleasure of Allah. And Allah is the Lord of great bounty.
إنما ذلكم الشيطان يخفف أولياءه فلا تخافوهم وخافون إن كنتم مؤمنين.
It was Satan who urged you to have fear of his allies. But do not fear them, fear me, if you truly believe.